Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Cartridges Clean and Rinse for Henny Penny part number 100129776. Cartridges Clean and Rinse for Henny Penny part number 100129776 are designed to help keep your Henny Penny fryer clean and running efficiently. The cartridges are specifically designed to remove grease, oil, and other contaminants from the fryer's cooking oil. The cartridges are easy to install and replace, and they help extend the life of your fryer by reducing the amount of time needed for cleaning. The cartridges also help reduce the amount of smoke produced during frying, making it easier to maintain a safe working environment. The cartridges can be used with. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement cartridge for the Henny Penny pressure fryer clean and rinse system. It is designed to help keep the fryer clean and free of debris, oil, and other contaminants. It helps to reduce the amount of time needed to clean the fryer and can help extend its life. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the Henny Penny unit. 2. Remove the old cartridge from the unit and discard it. 3. Take the new cartridge and insert it into the unit, making sure that it is properly seated and secured. 4. Reconnect the power to the unit and turn it on. 5. Run a cleaning cycle using a mild detergent solution according to manufacturer's instructions. This will help remove any debris or buildup that may have accumulated in the filter system over time. 6. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, run a rinse cycle with clean water too. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.